You guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna do another PC build update here. I just finished filling my system, checking it for leaks, and doing a very rough wiring job just to make sure everything is working. So as you can see, we have power on the motherboard. Cooling loop 1 is filled, cooling loop 2 is filled. There's still some soapy water in cooling loop 2, so this all has to be obviously flushed. There's just distilled water in here right now. You can see this mess of wiring that I have back there. It's a disaster, but there is a method to my madness. I want to make sure all this stuff is working before I final wire and do all that cable control. So without further ado, let's fire it up and see how she flows. It's alive. So you can see here, everything's flowing as it should. Both cooling loops are functional. This is the GPU loop. So take you around here. This is the actual return line here. There's all the fans running there. So the way this loop works is the water flows from down here through this massive radiator back here. It comes back through this line right here up, this line right here up through the graphics cards and then returns. And then the PC, the CPU loop, again, feeds down through another 480 mil radiator back here, comes through. Where's it come through? Comes through on this side here through the CPU block down and then returns, and I have it doing a cool return. So this tube is actually meeting up with this tube over here, but I wanted to keep everything vertical inside the case. So everything is functioning. The analog gauges are working well. Everything is cool, and these flow meters are awesome. It's actually telling you the flow in liters per second, or liters per minute, I mean. It tells you how long the system's been running, how many liters has flowed through the system since power on, and then it'll toggle back to the actual flow control. So you can see that each one's flowing over 3 liters per minute, which is very good. That's what you want. So everything is functional. I just wanted to do a quick update video on this. I also installed one of these cheesy RGB controllers so I can make the case look green or blue or purple or pink. It's you can kind of choose. Here's orange. It's also on fader right now. You do yellow. I think that it looks really cool, like purple or blue, something like that. So you can also adjust all the RGB control on the RAM, which is here. This is kind of just doing its own cool thing there. That's that Corsair Vengeance RAM. So I'll turn everything back to white. So yeah, guys, I just want to do an update video. I know this is not a polished video that you're used to doing, but here it is. 2X cooling loop on 2 RTX Titans on an X series processor. So I'm going to do an actual fancy formal video on this once I do all my cable management and put in my hard drives and all that kind of stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. Later.